What's up, everybody? You are watching yourself another episode of Man vs. Pin, the series here on ThreadBanger that was created before there were all these goddamn rules. Do you even know the bullshit that I've got to go through now just to put up a video? Because now we have to self-rate ourselves. So you log in here, first thing that comes up is creating with common sense. What's the point of making YouTube videos if you're using common sense? None of this makes sense. You go to monetization, profanity right here. No profanity or light profanity that may include words like shit, hell, and damn. Hold on, because I just said all three of those words now? Am I f***ed? Strong profanity including the F word. I'm not sure why that has to be in quotations. Even if bleeped. So it doesn't even fucking matter whether or not I bleep any of this bullshit out. I thought that all these years, I thought that fucking mattered. And then they get like real fucking minute. Profanity used during the beginning part of the video or strong profanity used multiple times. What? What the fuck happened here? God damn! Moving on to today's project, we're gonna get into something hopefully that's not demonetized on here. It's not violence, it's not drug related. Fire. Because this week's episode is all about fire. It's about fire dominoes. Don't know what the fucking fire domino is? Look it up. I'll wait. Alright, fuck it, I'll do it for you. You take a bunch of matches, you put them all in a row, you light them on fire. Self-explanatory, the domino effect. I got my matches, I got my glues and assorted craft materials. I don't have a surface, however. I need one of those, something I can glue everything to. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, you know what? I can use this. This is the box for my 1 million subscriber play button, which, by the way, over on my personal channel, I've got a vlog up from our time over at VidCon. Just came back from that. Fucking madness. Be sure that you check that out. We had a blast. So I'm just gonna take this box. I'm gonna use this as the base here for my fire dominoes. I'm not sure if you can see that outline. If you can't, well, then you're just gonna have to be fucking surprised now, aren't you? There we go. And so now we just face the tedious process of taking matches, throwing a little bit of glue on the tippy tip, and gluing them on. Just like that. This isn't gonna fucking take forever. Now this pretty much is just a very meticulously slow, terrible process. Ah, fuck! Oh, this is turning out like shit. Got a rhythm going, got a pattern, that's important. Speaking of rhythms and patterns and fucking algorithms, I'm just thinking that I should start replacing curse words with other words. Like, oh, this is a bunch of bullshit. If I can train myself to say, oh, motherfucker, you know, you get the point. What other words do you use in replication of actual curse words? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm just gonna start incorporating them into the show. Ah, fucking hot glue bullshit. Oh, I mean, that's just so much better. I don't have to bleep any of this bullshit out. Oh, we got something here. I'm into this fucking ship, huh? You motherfuckers, you watch out. This is a Rob 2.0. Looking good. Holy dick, this is a process. Wait, can I say dick? That's a part of the human anatomy. I can probably say vagina and get away with it, right? That's a health term. Look at that. Vagina, huh? I think this channel's still got a future. By the way, every single one of these videos now are manually reviewed. There's a person sitting somewhere with a little magical demonetization button right now watching this very video. And to that person, I just want to introduce myself. Hi, how are you? I'm Rob. Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you're enjoying everything. And by the way, you look fantastic. Have you been working out? Oh man, we are so Fraggle rockin' close. You know, you've only been watching this video for a few minutes, but in actuality, I have been making this thing for over 4 fucking hours. I've burned the shit out of my fingers way too many times with hot glue. Will it all be worth it? Probably not. All right, now once you're finished with your image here, those of you familiar with my Instagram page may recognize it. From here, you're gonna make almost like a little wick, and you can run that kind of around and down, and there it is, my first fire domino setup. For my first attempt, I'm gonna say pretty solid. All right. Let's burn this bitch up. Wait, oh, no, you know what? Yeah, no, I can say bitch. That wasn't in your little funkin' rules, you little bitch-ass motherfunkers. Ha! Boom, we are now back outside about to funk some shit up. You know what I mean? Got a very elaborate camera set up here, a little slow-mo guy happening. Let's get to it. Oh, come on. Here we go. There we go. Fire dominoes. Oh, look at that slow burn. Actually, you know what? That's too slow. Speed this up. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a good speed. Now look at that go. I like that. It's coming around the corner there and up the side. And oh, here it is. Here comes the middle finger. The main event. What we all came here to see. Woo! There it is. There it is. It took me about 15 hours to make that. At this point, this is almost when it caught the tripod on fire. Oh yeah, take a look at all those angles. And it's out. Okay. It's really all about that slow-mo, because that really only caught on fire for about 15 seconds here in real life. Funkin' fire dominoes, am I right? Let's put this out. There it was. Holy cow. Fire dominoes! It's a good amount of smoke. I hope that was as exciting for you as it was for me. Huh? That's what you subscribed for, am I right? Or unsubscribed, I'm not really sure. At this point, if you aren't subscribed, I urge you to do that because this channel's just never gonna end, apparently. Got any other interesting projects you wanna see right here on the show? Leave them down in the comments below. In the meantime, like this video, even if you didn't, and I'll see you around here next time.